Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We have here the DT900 Ultra Smartwatch or the Ultra 9 Smartwatch. It is a 7+1 Ultra Smartwatch. Okay, this time we are going to pair it with its support app. As you can see here, we have the user manual available in Chinese language and English language. Here on the user manual, it states that it is using the FitPro support app. So we are going to install the FitPro app and pair it with our DT900 Ultra Smartwatch. So if you have any questions regarding this video review, just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Okay, let's start. Again, the support app for this one is FitPro. We have a QR code here if you want to scan. It's also available here in the smartwatch. Let me check. Okay, we have here the QR code. In our case, we are already familiar with the support app, so we are just going to search it here on Google Play. FitPro. Okay, so we have here the app. So let's install the application for our DT900 Ultra. So 34 MB, 100 million plus downloads. Install. Okay, so let's wait for the installation. Okay, this will be quick. As you can see here, we have 34.47 MB only. Okay, we are on our 94%. 97, and it's now installing the support app. Okay, let's wait for just a few seconds, and we have successfully installed our support app. Let's open the app. We have here user protocol, agree, FitPro. Okay, so here we have a permission. Allow FitPro to access this device's location only this time. And let's see, so we have here, okay, the UI of the FitPro application. We have home, set, motion, and mind. Okay, so let's go to set. So we have here an instruction, bind devices to experience more features. So tap on this, and we have another permission. Allow FitPro to find, connect, and determine the relative position of nearby devices. Allow. It is now scanning for our smartwatch. So we have several smartwatches here. So if you don't know what the model, okay, what is the model of your smartwatch, if the name is not here, just go to your settings, go to the about section. So let's go here in our smartwatch. Let's go to our settings. Okay, then about, and we have here the Ultra 8 4B55F8. So this is our smartwatch. Tap on it, and of course the support app will try to connect with our T900 Ultra Smartwatch. So Bluetooth based connection completed. Time setting completed, user profile completed, and target settings also completed. And as you can see here, we are already paired. So enter mobile phone system settings, open Bluetooth, got it, we are already paired. Okay, so that is just an instruction to activate your Bluetooth. And as you can see here, we are connected. Okay, let's see if this is stable. Let's try to find our smartwatch, and as you can see here, we have looking for, okay, feature. Okay, so that's it. Then let's have the basic preliminary setup for our smartwatch. Go to message push. Let's activate our push notification feature. Call reminder. Agree. You have a permission. Allow FitPro to access your phone call logs. Allow FitPro to access your contacts. And allow FitPro to make and manage phone calls. Then for our SMS, activate also. We have another permission. Allow FitPro to send and view SMS messages. Okay. Then let's pick some of our favorite social apps. WhatsApp. Open. Then allow FitPro notification access. Allow. Then activated. Go back. Then you can activate your favorite application here. Instagram, Facebook, and that's it. So there's no support for Skype, KakaoTalk, and LinkedIn, and Snapchat. Okay, let's check for our other settings. Let's see if we have other settings for our smartwatch. Nothing else. Okay, I guess that's it for our DT900 Ultra Smartwatch, pairing it with our FitPro Support App. Okay, so if you have any questions regarding the setup of your DT900 to the FitPro application, just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Bye.